Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you some friend mail that I believe should be recognized when you receive a gift from anybody, any of your subscribers, friends on here. I call you guys friends because I consider you guys great friends. For the most part, a lot of you have been with me along the whole route, and then I have new subscribers. You're all absolutely phenomenal. But so I had one friend I've known forever, like since I was 14, and she was kind enough to send me a package. And she sent me, I've never heard of this, I haven't used it yet. It is the Veer HD Studio Foundation Easy Application Full Coverage Blend and Glow Foundation. I am so excited to use this. If you guys have tried this, let me know. She sent me the Ipken Color Correcting Primer. It has SPF of 15, so that'll go great with the foundation. And then a Embroilacy, I'm probably hacking the name, Laboratory. This is a multifunction nourishing moisturizer, which who does not need a good moisturizer? I mean, come on. Always. So I will totally get use out of this. I thank you so much, Tina. I know some people, can't afford much, and some people still try, and I'm grateful on every platform, and I try and give back as much as I can. And then she sent me this. It is for my hair, and I don't know why, but it was leaking. So I just wiped it off and put it in here, and it seems to be doing okay. But it is hair oil, which you guys all know I use oil in my hair, so I'll totally get use out of it. I'll keep it in that bag. And then we have a Metallic Matte Naturally Quick Drying Cream Blush. This is super cool. I'm so excited to try this out. I don't have a lot of cream blushes. I do have some, and I've had really good luck with them. I just dab them on the apple of my cheek and then brush them out. I've never heard of Peak. Let's check this out. And there it is. Looks really cute. I love the little container. Small scent, but not bad. And it's a beautiful, really light rose color. I don't know if you can see with all my wrinkles. But thank you again, Tina. So much appreciated. I really thank you. And I will do a video trying this out along with the primer. And then on that note, I received this. This is from a fellow YouTuber / friend, Xenia. She's Adventures of Xenia, and she packaged it really well. My packaging, I guess, has not been that great, off and on, hit and miss. But anyways, so she got this in her BoxyCharm, and luckily I did not. I got actually the Tarte spray, which I forgot I had. And she was so kind enough to send this to me. I was so excited. I have never tried Crown, and this looks like a phenomenal palette. It is, I've already opened it. So here is the packaging. And then you open this up. You have a small mirror, and then the colors are absolutely stunning. I mean, oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this palette. It is so beautiful. You got, look at those colors. Look at that pigmentation. So on BoxyCharm, it says this retails for $29. I am so grateful that she thought of me and gave this to me. The more you give, the more you receive is what I believe, and I absolutely love to give. I was brought up that way through my family, and it is just how I feel. And when I receive something, I am very very grateful. I never expect it, but it is just so nice to see that, you know, people give back, and it happens all the time. And not just with gifts either. You guys just watching alone is a gift back to me. I had somebody on here, and she had seen I was doing a lot of declutter, and she had hit me up and said that she had an essential oil, what do you call it? I can't think straight. Essential oils site on Facebook, and she makes them. She makes bracelets and things like that, and she sells them, and she has a little business. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. And she suggested if we could trade makeup for essential oils. And I am allergic to a lot of the natural essential oils are natural, and I'm allergic to a lot of them. So I was at first kind of like hesitant, and then she said she could do like vanilla, certain things that I could use. And so she, you know, would hit me up, and I'd reply, and we went back and forth for a while. After a while, I thought, you know, what could it hurt? I mean, we're trading. She wanted to trade, and I could try out some essential oils with vanilla, and there were other ones that I think it was bergamot, and anyways, patchouli, which I absolutely love. Anyways, so I said one day after she hit me up, I said, you know, let's do it. Let's trade. So I bagged up makeup, and quite a bit. And she said she was shipping mine, and I shipped hers, and this was probably going on a month. And so she got her package, and she thanked me for it, and I never got hers. And so I hit her up, and she's like, oh, well, it got damaged in the mail and sent back. And then she said, we're gonna ship out again. And I hit her up again. I'm like, have you shipped it? So I know to expect it. I wasn't trying to pressure her or anything. And she said, well, I gotta remake the bracelets. And I'm like, oh, okay, cool, you know, no problem, no hurry. And then another week or something went by. I'm like, so have you shipped it? And she went on to say that she shipped it on a Monday, not Saturday, and then went on and tell me some personal things were going on in her life. And I gave her, you know, my sympathy and prayers. And that was about about 2 weeks ago. And so I hit up the other day, and I said, so did it get lost again in shipping? So overall, my point is, I think I've been scammed. And I know you guys have seen her on here. And she's definitely on Instagram as Tia07. And she does have a Facebook page. And that is the last thing I appreciate, is like when somebody scams me and takes advantage of me when they know that I'm on here and I'm paying for all the items I have. I am not a big YouTuber where I get free PR. And I just don't get it. I don't know how people like that live with themselves. I mean, she has not replied. It's been about a week, and I don't expect a package. And even if I got a package from her by now, I would be a little leery about even opening it. So I have been scammed. And I just want you guys to be informed, and so that way if you see her, you know, but yeah, so Tia07, and she's on Facebook for essential oils, and she's definitely on Instagram. Maybe she'll change her name, I don't know, but very, very disappointing. So anyways, you guys, thank you, Xenia, thank you, Tina, you guys are phenomenal. It's always appreciated but never expected. I am very grateful. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.